Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need a global admin or user administrator role and an internet connection. Once signed into Portal, Azure. Go directly to Azure Active Directory, then Users. Click New User to open the creation form. This is the first actionable step. Make sure to choose Create User versus Invite if the account is internal. This saves time and ensures the account is managed in your tenant. Now prepare display name, username, and initial password before proceeding to details. Now fill in the core details: display name, username, and job info so directory searches and policy targeting work. Set an initial password and check require password change on first sign-in to force credential rotation. This improves security. Under groups and roles, assign appropriate group membership and a role like user administrator only if needed. Expand job info or settings to set usage location for licensing. Once done, double-check spelling of the UPN and the usage location before moving on. Finish by reviewing every section, then click Create. Azure will provision the account and show the temporary password, copy it for the user, or deliver securely. After creation, open the account to assign licenses so services like Exchange or Teams provision correctly. If provisioning fails, check the user's UPN suffix matches verified domains, confirm you hold the necessary admin role, and verify license availability. If groups or policies didn't apply, run a manual sync or wait a few minutes for policy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.